Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Yes, I'm back to invite y'all to another open invite. And this invite is called Let's Make Lemonade. Now, you're probably saying, let's make lemonade. Yes, let's make lemonade. That will be the title of your video. And the hashtag will be Let's Make Lemonade Tablescape 20. Now let's get into the rules. Me, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it, Kel, and my co-host that is collaborating with me with this video is Tammy Thompson from TVMG. So you're going to need to mention my channel, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it, and mention Tammy Thompson TVMG's channel, as well as link our pages put our links in your description box. Now, the colors for this open invite challenge, you will need on your table the color scheme of yellow, white, and green. Now, you must have lemons and showcase your lemon dishes. Now, there is a twist. If you do not have lemon dishes, please try to stay within the yellow and the white and the green theme. A lot of people do not have the lemon dishes. A lot of people are not into the lemon, dishes or the fad that when it came out. But if you do have them and you want to showcase them, please feel free to showcase them on your table. So that is optional. If you do not have it, don't worry about it. Just make sure that you stay with the yellow, the white, or the green on your tablescape. Upload time for my channel is always on a Saturday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay? Make sure that you have lemons or a lemon on your table. And for the food or the drink, you can have lemonade as a drink, and then you can make a dessert, cupcakes, cake, anything lemoning on your table. This is all about lemons. So, the due date for the video is due April the 11th. That is Saturday, April the 11th at 7 a.m. So, if you have all your lemon dishes or all these colors and you want to get it uploaded, set it for 7 a.m. Do not set it for no earlier. And the playlist is available. I already created the playlist. That way I don't have to come back and do an additional video. Sometimes I will do an additional video just to make sure that you were able to see the video. And then if you don't mind to drop down in the comments and put Let's Make Lemonade. That way I can write your name down and I'll know to be looking for your video just in case it does not flow over to the playlist. So if you have any questions, always feel free to leave me a comment and I will get back to y'all. So y'all stay blessed until Let's Make Lemonade Tablescape 20.